Good evening all of you. Today we are going to do Ganga river system part 2. We have already done with part 1. So let's start. This is something about Ganga river system. Ganga is the longest river of India, 2510 km. It originates as Bhagirathi from Gangotri glacier. I told you in my previous classes also that this is Gangotri glacier, and from here a river originates, that is Bhagirathi. And this is Badrinath glacier on the eastern side of Uttarakhand, and from here originates Alaknanda. And when they meet at this point is called Devprayag, and the river which flows is called Ganga. You can see in this is Gangotri, and from here originates Bhagirathi river. This is Badrinath, from here originates Alaknanda river, and when they meet at Devprayag, the river comes out, and this is known as Ganga. So this is written over here. Bhagirathi is joined by Alaknanda at Devprayag. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi flow in the name of Ganga below Devprayag, which I have already shown you in the diagram. So major part of Ganga lies in Uttar Pradesh region. This you must know, that major part of Ganga lies in Uttar Pradesh region. Famous Tihri Dam is located on river Bhagirathi and is considered as India's highest dam on river Bhagirathi. Okay, so I mean on this portion Bhagirathi, not on Ganga. So you must know this. In Uttarakhand, it is in Uttarakhand, 265 meter higher, and earlier Bhakra Nagal Dam on river Satluj was the highest. Now Tihri Dam is the highest. Now these are some important tributaries of Ganga. Some are left bank tributaries and some are right bank tributaries. So Ramganga, Gomti, Kali or Sarda, Gandak, Kosi and Mahananda. These are the left bank tributaries. I will show you in the diagram and also make the one. Right bank tributaries are Yamuna and Son. So we proceed by making a rough map of this is Uttarakhand, this is Nepal, and this is Uttar Pradesh. As we have read about these four, Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. So we first start with Yamunotri, means Yamuna river. Yamuna river originates from here, from Yamunotri. This is Yamunotri. It originates from Yamunotri like this, from Uttarakhand, and then enters Himachal Pradesh, and then Haryana region and Delhi, and then enters in Uttar Pradesh. And here it will meet Ganga. I will show it later on. This is HP, Himachal Pradesh. This is Haryana region, and this it enters in UP. Now we have seen that. Now we know that this is Gangotri glacier. I told you earlier also that from Gangotri glacier originates Bhagirathi river. It originates from here, and from this Badrinath glacier. This is Badrinath glacier. From Satopant glacier originates Alaknanda river, and they both meet. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river meet, and they form Ganga. And it comes out of Uttarakhand, enters Uttar Pradesh, and merge into Yamuna river at this point. And this point is known as Allahabad. And you must know that this Yamuna river is the longest tributary of Ganga river, and it is right bank tributary, as we have seen it earlier also. Now let me tell you something about Son river, which is also right bank tributary of Ganga river. Son river, as you can see in this map, this is Son river. This is Son river. It is written over here. So we will see that Son river originates from here. This is Amarkantak plateau, which lies in the border of Chhattisgarh and MP. Chhattisgarh and MP. This is Amarkantak plateau. From here originates the river, which is called Son. It passes through Kaimur hills and then Bagelkhand plateau, and then it also passes through Hazaribagh plateau and enters in the state of Bihar and joins Ganga on Ara in Bihar. So you must remember that it originates from Amarkantak plateau. Son river originates from Amarkantak plateau and passes through Uttar Pradesh. You can see this small area of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand, and then meets Ganga in Bihar. So Son river have drainage basin in 5 states, that is Chhattisgarh and MP, where Amarkantak plateau lies, and Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Bihar. So drainage basin of Son river is in 5 states. Now if we see here, this is Ganga river. From Allahabad it is going like this, and from here somewhere here on the border of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh there lies Amarkantak plateau. Amarkantak plateau, from where originates Son river, like this, like this, and enters in 5 states: Chhattisgarh, MP, UP, Jharkhand, and ultimately meets Ara in Bihar. So we can see like this. This is Uttar Pradesh region and this is Bihar. This you can see that this is Bihar. So these both the rivers we have read about, Yamuna and Son. These are the right bank tributaries of Ganga river. Now we come to the left bank tributaries of Ganga river. So first we see Ram Ganga. Ram Ganga originates from here somewhat, Nainital, in the lesser Himalayas. It originates near Nainital and joins Ganga in Farrukhabad, here somewhat near Kannauj. Now we consider about Gomti river, which is also a left bank tributary of Ganga. So it originates from here, Pilibhit region in Uttar Pradesh. It is an intra-state river. It flows into one state only, that is Uttar Pradesh. Originates from UP, Pilibhit region, and ends in UP, Gazipur. Somewhat here. This is Gazipur. Saidpur region in Uttar Pradesh. And Lucknow is situated on the banks of Gomti river. And you can see just like here, it is Gazipur. This was Allahabad. So Gazipur is in the east of Allahabad and Allahabad lies in the west. And here lies Kannauj. And you must know that here it is Kanpur, which lies on the banks of Ganga river. So if someone asks you about the position of these districts, first of all, in the west it will be Kannauj, then Kanpur. After that this is Allahabad, and this is Gazipur, where Gomti meets Ganga. Now we talk about Ghagra river, which is also the left bank tributary of Ganga. It originates from Mansarovar region, lies in Tibet. Now I will tell you that how Kali river and Sarda river makes Ghagra river. So this stream coming from Tibetan region, passing through Uttarakhand, is known as Sharda, and one of the stream coming from this side on the eastern side, it is known as Kali. And when they both met, they made Ghagra river. So Ghagra river is made from two streams, that is Sharda and Kali, and these are passing through Uttarakhand, originating from Mansarovar region in Tibet. So we see here one stream of Ghagra river coming from Tibetan region, that is Sharda, and it enters in Uttarakhand region and then flows in the east, and a very minor part of it enters in Nepal, and then it enters in Uttar Pradesh region. This is Sharda. And this stream, the second stream, Kali, which is also originating from the same origin, that is Tibetan region in Mansarovar area, and it enters Nepal, and then they both met in Uttar Pradesh. This is Kali river. These both the streams made Ghagra river. So you must know this thing. Then Sharda is both are originating from the Mansarovar region, Tibet, but it is Sharda is passing through Uttarakhand, and some minor part of it is having in Nepal, but Kali river is entering in Nepal and then Uttar Pradesh region. Both of them met in Uttar Pradesh region at this point. And this Ghagra river flows in the Uttar Pradesh and then enters in Bihar and meet Ganga here in this region in Bihar, and it is known as Chhapra. I told you earlier about Son river. It originates from Amarkantak plateau and then enters in Bihar here and this region was known as Ara. So Ara is in the east of Chhapra. So this was about Ghagra river, which is left bank tributary of Ganga river and meets in Bihar. You have already seen that two streams, Sharda and Kali, originate from the Mansarovar region, and then they met in the Uttar Pradesh region, and then these passes through Bihar and meet Ganga in Chhapra. Now we see about Gandak river, which originates from Nepal and China border here in the Nepal Himalayas, and then it enters here in Bihar. This region is known as Champaran, and then it turns, and the minor part of it lies in Uttar Pradesh, and then it again turns in the Bihar and enters and meets here Ganga in Sonpur district of Bihar. So this was about Gandak river, which is also a left bank tributary of Ganga and meets in Bihar at Sonpur. One more thing I want to tell, that this part between Ara and Sonpur, here lies Patna, the capital of Bihar. So you can learn it by this. This is Chhapra, this is Ara, and this is Patna. So the mnemonics you can read, that is CAP, cap. Chhapra, Ara, and Patna. In Chhapra meets this river, Ghagra river, and in Ara meets Son river, and Patna is capital of Bihar. So this is Gandak river. Vaishali, you have heard about Vaishali. Vaishali is also located on the banks of Gandak river. Now we will read about Kosi river. Let me take the new slide for this. So Kosi river is also somewhat like Ghagra river. So we'll read about Kosi. First of all, it is source of Bihar. It is also known as source of Bihar, and it originates in Nepal. Here it is Son Koshi. These are the streams of Kosi river. Son Koshi. This stream is known as Arun Koshi, and this stream is known as Tamur Koshi. These three streams met and form Kosi. So you must know this thing also, that Kosi formed in Nepal itself, and then it enters in Bihar region and meet Ganga here in Bhagalpur. Ganga is coming from here, as you have seen. This is Yamunotri, this is Gangotri, this is Kedarnath, and this is Badrinath. Ganga is originating from here. Bhagirthi is originating from here. Alaknanda is coming from here, and they are forming Ganga, and it is flowing like this. And here, this region where Kosi river meets Ganga is known as Bhagalpur region in Bihar. So it is also left bank tributary of Ganga. We have read about this: Chhapra, C, A, Ara, and P, Patna, and Sonpur, S, and then after that it is Bhagalpur. It is the easternmost point. Now we will see about Damodar river, which is also known as source of Bengal. So you must have differentiation between both these: Kosi, which is known as source of Bihar, and Damodar, which is known as source of Bengal. So we'll see little about Damodar river. So this is Uttarakhand, this is Nepal, this is Uttar Pradesh, this is Bihar, this is Jharkhand, and this is West Bengal. So we'll see about Damodar river. As you know that in Jharkhand there are two plateaus. This is Chota Nagpur plateau, and this is Hazaribagh plateau. So Damodar originates from Chota Nagpur plateau. Damodar river originates from Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay, in this way we have read that this is Yamunotri, this is Gangotri, this is Kedarnath, and this is Badrinath. This stream Bhagirthi, Alaknanda joining to make Ganga, and Ganga is originating, passing through Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and some part of Jharkhand, then Bihar, and then it enters in West Bengal region. In West Bengal region, it is divided into two parts. One is Padma. This is Padma. This is Bangladesh region. This is known as Padma when it enters in Bangladesh, and one stream distributary of Ganga is this. This is known as Hooghly River. And this point where both of them are distributed is known as Farakka. It is in Murshidabad in West Bengal. It is a very important part. Farakka barrage, Murshidabad in West Bengal. So I was telling you about this stream of Ganga river is known as Hooghly, and this stream is known as Padma, which is in Bangladesh part. So Damodar river is coming from this part, that is Chota Nagpur plateau, and then it enters in the stream in the distributary of Ganga, that is Hooghly river. And this Damodar river is also known as Saura of Bengal. This Damodar river flows in two regions, two states, that is Jharkhand and West Bengal. So today we have learned about the Ganga river system, the left bank tributaries of Ganga and the right bank tributaries of Ganga. Right bank tributary we learn about Yamuna river and Son river, and the left bank tributaries are Ram Ganga, Gomti, Kali or Sarda, that is Ghagra, Ganda, Kosi. So we will also see the tributaries of Yamuna river also. There are two tributaries, right bank tributaries of Yamuna river, that is Chambal and Betwa. So I will show you this in the next map. So this I have drawn a rough map. Here I will show you that these are Vindhyan ranges and these are Satpura ranges. Vindhyan ranges and Satpura ranges. From here originates Chambal river. From the Vindhyan ranges originate Chambal river, and it is a tributary of Yamuna river. So Yamuna river is somewhat coming from here. Okay, and the next river, this is Betwa river, which is also originating from Vindhyan ranges, and it is also joining Yamuna here in this part. So Chambal, this is Chambal river in Rajasthan, MP and UP. This passes through three states, Rajasthan, MP and UP, and this is Betwa river, which lies in MP and UP. So the drainage basin of Ganga is till Vindhyan ranges, including Malwa plateau and Bundelkhand plateau, and that is why it is these ranges are also known as water divide of India. So this complete our Ganga river system. So at last we just revise the things we have done till now. Let's see here. It is Uttarakhand. Okay, from here originates Yamuna river from Yamunotri. This is Yamunotri. Here originates Yamuna river. It is passing to Haryana, Himachal Pradesh in the upper side, Haryana, Delhi, and then it enters in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, then it meets here Ganga, Allahabad. Ganga is originating from this Gangotri glacier, and here somewhat lies Alaknanda. This both the river meets Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets and form Ganga, and then it enters here. It meets Yamuna at Allahabad. Okay, now we see here it is Ram Ganga originating from here. I told you earlier also. Yeah, and then it meets Ganga here in Kannauj. Then this is Gomti. This is intra-state river, which originates from Pilibhit, and then it joins Ganga. This is Ganga coming from this side and joins here in Saidpur, Ghazipur region. Then it is Sharda. This is the stream Sharda river coming from Uttarakhand region, and here from somewhat here originates this Kali and made Ghagra, and this meets Ganga in Bihar in Chhapra region. This is Ganga river. Okay, now this is Gandak river. As you can see, it will also meet in Bihar in Sonpur. After that we read about Kosi river, which is originating in Nepal. This is Son Kosi, Arun Koshi and Taimur Koshi, and it enters in Champaran, Bihar, and then it enters Ganga in this Bhagalpur region. This is Bhagalpur region. You can see Son river is coming from here in Sonpur and from Amarkantak plateau on the border of Chhattisgarh and MP, and then it also enters and met Ganga here in Ara. Chhapra, yeah, here is Chhapra. This Ghagra meet Ganga. This was not Chhapra. This is Chhapra. So it is CAP, and this point is Patna. From here you can see this is Betwa and this is Chambal, which are the right bank tributaries of Yamuna river. So this is the whole Ganga river system. You can also see here this is Ganga river originating from Gangotri glacier. This is Ganga river. Okay, and this must be Farakka barrage. From here one is Padma river and one is Hooghly river, distributaries of Ganga river. Okay, this is, you can see here, this is Yamuna river meeting at Allahabad, and then this is Gomti river, this is intrastate river, this is Ghagra river. Two distributaries are coming, that is Sarda and Kali, and then this is Gandak river, this is Kosi river. Okay, so, and this one Son river originating from Amarkantak plateau, this is Chambal river, and this is Betwa river, which are right bank tributaries of Yamuna river, sorry. So these are originating from Vindhyan ranges. This was all about the Ganga river system. I hope you have understood the concepts clearly in the Ganga river system. I just say to you that practice more and more so that it becomes clear. Practice on the blank maps and more concepts will be clear to you. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up to my video. Thank you, all of you.